Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna find out can you upgrade your Lenovo Ideapad 5 solid state drive or RAM. Also you're gonna see what's going on inside of this laptop. You're gonna see how the motherboard looks like, how the battery looks like, etc. And of course you're gonna see how you can open up this laptop as well. First things first, you need a little special screwdriver. If you don't have one, you can buy one on Amazon, eBay. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so it's gonna be easier for you to find. Very same one what I'm using, they're great. And when removing the screws from the back panel, keep them separate. There's different sizes, so you know where they go back to, so you won't damage your laptop. Once the screws are removed, you need something from plastic. I recommend plastic, don't use knife. You can damage your laptop or your hands, and take good care while removing the back panel. It comes off easy enough. It shouldn't take you more than maybe a minute. As you see yourself, as far as I know, this laptop was never opened, so for the first time it comes off quite handy. Okay, this is how your back panel looks inside now. And with this laptop now, I have good news and I have bad news. Good news is you can upgrade solid state drive, bad news is you can't upgrade RAM. So RAM upgrade is not possible. That's your battery. That's your Wi-Fi card there. And as I said, RAM is not upgradable, so if you have 8 gigs, you're stuck with 8 gigs, as this laptop has 8 gigs, so no more. That's your M.2 solid state drive. I will upgrade this one now in a minute, so you're gonna see what I'm gonna install in it. That's your CPU, of course, and CPU is not upgradable either. So whatever you have there, you're stuck with it. That's i5 10th generation on this laptop now. Okay, closer look now, so you see all the parts. There's your battery again with the model number if you're looking for one. There's your battery connection. There's your Wi-Fi card. Trying to zoom in there. Okay, that's your solid state drive. It's pretty decent actually, just need more space in this case anyway. That's 256 gigs now there. That's your CPU, closer look. Well, you don't really see CPU. And to upgrade your M.2 solid state drive, you need normal screwdriver, normal Phillips screwdriver. And before you do that, disconnect battery, of course. You can do without it, you can leave the battery connected. It worked for me several times, but I do recommend disconnecting it. It's only a second or two. And that's your normal now Phillips screwdriver. You need to remove M.2 solid state drive. And as you see, you have two options. You can use the smaller one there, smaller drive, or normal size. I'm gonna go with normal size. There we go, there's a closer look to it. They're pretty fast drives, very good ones actually. Just need a little bit more space, so. Yep, this is it. This is what's gonna go in. It's Samsung, 500 gigs, really fast drives, really good ones. So loads of space, loads of speed. Will work absolutely great with this CPU, this laptop now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you're looking for a very same one. Or at least you're gonna have a reference. There's a closer look now. I installed many of these drives in the past. They are great fast drives. You can get them in 1 terabyte sizes as well. And that's it. The little screw will go back in and you're upgraded. All you have to do now is install Windows 10 or 11, whatever you're using there again. Since you're gonna have clean drive, there's no operating system on it, so you will have to install system again. And of course, before you close your laptop, I do recommend connecting battery back, or you will have to open the laptop again and connect the battery then. So I do recommend that you wouldn't doing it now. Okay, that's it. That's with upgrading now. As you see, we can upgrade solid state drive, no problem. Can't upgrade RAM. I'm kind of disappointed about that. Was hoping at least to put 16 gigs in it, so can't do it. We're stuck with 8 gigs. Tough luck, but that's how it is. So hopefully this was now helpful for someone who's looking to see upgrade options for this laptop. And you know what? If you like the video, you can press the thumbs up, subscribe, and have a good life. Bye bye.